According to ChatGPT, the top 3 side hustles that you could start right now in 2025 is what you see right on your screen here. And I'm going to leave this document for you down below this video if you want to save it, use it for reference, or, make your own copy, add notes, create your own content, whatever you want to do with this information. But I'm simply sharing that with you if you're looking to start a side hustle, if you're looking for ways to supplement your income, or maybe like me and, maybe thousands or millions of others, do your side hustle full time right from home. You have the opportunity to do that, my friend, in this gig economy that we're in. There's so many different ways and methods that you could start from scratch, start with a very low budget and get started into, really anything that you're passionate about and turn that passion, turn that excitement, turn that energy into a full-time income. So let me walk you through these 3 recommendations from ChatGPT of side hustles that you can start right now in 2025. I want to go over the pros. I want to go over the cons. I want to talk in depth about these so you have a full understanding and you can decide, hey, which is the best road for you to go down. And if you watch this video all the way until the end, I'm going to throw you an extra special bonus and give you my personal recommendation, the gig, the side hustle, the, opportunity, the thing that makes me the most amount of money on a monthly basis. I'm going to share that with you right here in this video, but you got to watch all the way through, get all those details. Now, if you're new to the channel and you're just checking out information on how to make money online, side hustles, whatever it is, do yourself a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I'm putting out new content. If you hit that bell icon, you will be the first to know. And I go live quite a bit here on my channel to answer your questions and talk about all the cool methods that are out there to making money online. And I'm happy to have you jump on board and attend one of those lives so I can answer all of your questions. If you hit that bell icon, you're going to be notified first when I do go live. So let's talk about the number one thing that ChatGPT recommends, and that is, of course, affiliate marketing. Now, I have done affiliate marketing for years with various different offers. I've done low ticket affiliate marketing. I've done high ticket affiliate marketing, and there are some good perks and benefits to affiliate marketing. It's really great for, the brand newest person that gets out there and really doesn't know what they're doing. They don't have a lot of money to, spend. They want to do something that is already proven that they can basically just plug into and just kind of get their feet wet. That's where affiliate marketing comes into play. You're pretty much promoting other companies or other people's products, services, ebooks, courses, and earning a commission when basically someone goes to your specific referral link and they buy a product or service, you get a percentage of that. So the pros are, low startup cost. A lot of affiliate marketing opportunities you can start for less than $100. Some of them are much more expensive. Some of them are even as high as $2,500, $5,000. Like there's some crazy high ticket affiliate programs out there. So you got to do your research. You got to find out what's going to work best for you, what feels good. You're going to have to use your gut a little bit and make a decision that like, hey, does this feel good or does this feel shady or slimy or something that just doesn't, it's not sitting well with you. You're going to have to figure that out. Okay. So if obviously something to think about too, the affiliate products that you could be marketing, in my opinion, digital products are the way to go because digital products are going to have a higher commission. You don't have to ship them. You don't have to worry about any of that sort of stuff. Okay. Passive income potential. There is an opportunity. I'm going to talk, out of both sides of my mouth here. So when it comes to the pros and the cons with affiliate marketing, there are some pros where you can have passive income. Meaning if you create enough content, if you grow your social platform big enough and you have enough views on your video, you can make sales passively. But there is a catch to that. I'm going to talk about that in a minute. So it can be scalable. You can grow to 6 figures. You can easily do affiliate marketing and make 6 figures. You can easily do that. You can do that all from the comfort of home. It can be done. So let's talk about some of the let's talk about some of the cons with this. So it does require some marketing skills. Your success will 100% on your ability to basically get traffic, get people, eyeballs, clicks to your affiliate link. So in other words, if you suck on video or you suck at putting out content on social media, it's going to be really difficult to get people to your affiliate link to get to your sales presentation, buy your product or service, and make you a commission. You can do this other ways. You can drive paid ads to it. But again, when you're doing affiliate marketing, you're spending advertising dollars to drive people to a product that is not yours. And you're just getting a percentage of that if they decide to turn around and buy. Okay. Affiliate marketing is very competitive. Okay. Especially when it comes to certain niches like wealth, make money online, make money from home, home-based business, relationships, health products, and stuff like that. So you are swimming in a very big ocean with a lot of big fish in there. Okay, so something to think about there. You have no control over the product, so this is something very much to think about. And this is where kind of the con is about the passive income thing. So I want to tie that back in right here. Okay, you don't have any control of the product. It's not yours. You don't own it. You're basically just getting it from somebody else. You're sharing somebody else's thing so you can get a percentage of it, and that's really it. But if they shut down, they change the terms, any of that sort of stuff. And most importantly, when it ties back to passive, the second you stop marketing, if you stop creating content, you may get some passive residual sales that are out there, but eventually those sales are going to go away, because eventually if you're not consistently putting out content, then the views on your videos are going to go down, the amount of people seeing your content is going to go down, and those sales are going to go away. So affiliate marketing is very much like a job. You gotta show up to it every day. You got to put in the work. You got to put in the hours. You got to put in the time. It can make you a lot of money, but it also requires consistent work and effort. Okay. But it's very popular because of, you don't have to own a lot of stuff. You don't have to buy a lot of stuff. You don't have to have all the integration tools and softwares and paying for page builders and email autoresponders and all those other things. Most of the times, all that stuff is given to you or done for you. Okay. So freelancing, this is where, you have an opportunity to really chase your passion. If there's something that you enjoy doing, or maybe something, a skill that you're really good at, you could use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, working directly for clients. If you're really good at scheduling, if you're really good at organization, if you're really good at copywriting, if you're really good at maybe making videos, you could be doing those for other clients. People could be hiring you to work from home, maybe a few hours a day, a few hours a week, and just doing some basic work for people. So freelancing is a great way to do that. You do have to, again, you get paid by project or hourly, flexible schedule, high demand. People are looking for, taskers, people to get their jobs done, and take some of the weight off their plate and put that onto your plate. So it's an opportunity for you to, work around your schedule, do some tasking for people, and make a few extra bucks. Now, some of the cons are, of course, you're trading time for money. So if you're going to be emailing for people, doing scheduling work for people, organizational work for people, obviously that stuff's going to take time. It can't really be passive. It can't really be, you can't really be making money unless you're doing the thing. Certainly can be stressful. You could have deadlines, client dependent, obviously. Plateau risk. There's only so many hours you can work in a day. There's only so many projects that you can complete on any given time. So if you're looking for basic income, few extra $100, maybe a few $1,000, depending on what the tasks and the projects are, it could be a great way to make some extra money and do that on your schedule, all from the comfort of home. Okay. Now, e-commerce, things like print on demand is very popular. You are selling physical products. So again, pros, cons, let's talk about these. You could get out to platforms like Etsy, Shopify, Amazon, maybe TikTok Shop, that type of thing. Print on demand services, t-shirts, mugs, pens, pencils, water bottles, all that type of stuff. Print on demand is, people love custom brands, custom logos these days. No matter what it is, whether it's a small company, it's a large company, maybe it's a group of friends, whatever it is. People love being able to have something that's custom to them. So print on demand, e-commerce, very, very big. Obviously, you can design your own products without having to house any inventory. You can reach across the globe, which is really, really great. You can use drop shipping. You can have automated shipping services in place, all those other things. And of course, there are some cons with that. There are some things when you have and you're shipping a physical product. So as an example, if you were shipping water bottles, when you have a physical product, especially a print on demand product, you know, there's very low margin in that because if you have the margin too high and you're making too much money, you're gonna price yourself out of people being able to afford your product or wanting to pay for your product because they could probably find it cheaper somewhere else. So speaking of physical products, I'm gonna take a sip of water. So low margin, without traffic, without advertising, you're not making any money. So you gotta take marketing into play here. You gotta, no matter what you do, no matter what side hustle you do, even if it's client services, marketing is going to play a factor because if you do, as an example, you're doing tasking or you're doing freelancing, you're going to have to market yourself. In order to market yourself, you're going to have to get out there on social and show people who you are. Same exact thing with affiliate marketing, same exact thing with e-commerce. You want to get out there, you're going to have to advertise the thing that you're trying to sell. It doesn't just automatically sell itself, my friend. You need to get out there in the world and show people who you are and what you do. Okay. Now, customer service, when it comes to e-com or print on demand, at the end of the day, you're still responsible. So even though you may not have to house any inventory, if something goes wrong in shipping, if the product is damaged, if there's a shipping issue, manufacturing issue, that all is going to fall back on you. Ultimately, you are responsible for fulfillment and making sure your product gets to where it needs to go and the customer is ultimately satisfied. So those are the top three most popular side hustles according to ChatGPT right now in 2025. Now, I want to talk about a bonus, something you may or may not be thinking about. What I have always been using for years. Now, I've done affiliate marketing. I've done all kinds of different marketing. I've marketed everything from courses to ebooks to one level affiliate deals to team-based deals. And I have personally found that for me, membership-based side hustles work the best. Now, remember, this document that I'm going to give you, I'm going to leave that in the description, in the show notes down below. So you can click that. You can open this up. You can, go over here to file and you can make a copy. Okay. So you can hit right here. You can make a copy. You could save this for yourself if you want to. But I found that membership-based side hustles work the best because for me personally, I like passive income. And I also like income streams that can grow and build without me having to market and advertise 24/7. So couple of things, couple of bullets that I want you to understand about this side hustle. And you can hit the link in the description down below, or you can hit that link that's right on the document there. It says click here to learn more. The thing about this one, it will actually offer you guaranteed commissions. There is no side hustle, no job, no offer, no anything that I found out there where you are guaranteed to make a sale. You're guaranteed to make a commission. So this is one of the only ones that I found out there, if that's something you're interested in. It's also proven and documented. It's helped over 10,000 people make their first dollar online. So unlike other affiliate marketing opportunities or e-com or whatever, there's actually proof in the pudding that this works. And it's a low cost membership side hustle, meaning it's less than $100 to get started, even as low as $25 to get started. So it's not going to break the bank, and it has one of the highest rate of returns as far as compensation plan goes. So, if you went back up to affiliate marketing, most, not all, but most affiliate marketing offers traditionally fall in around 50% commissions. So if you're selling a $100 product, you're going to make about $50. If you're selling a $500 product, you're going to make about $250. This one here has up to 95% direct commission. So has one of the highest payouts that I've ever seen. And again, it's membership based. So you're going to be able to create passive residual income every single month. And yes, it does, like all the others, it does require marketing. It does require effort, like anything, any online business, any side hustle that you have. you're going to have to get out there and you're going to have to promote it. Period. End of story. There's not going to be anything that promotes itself. Okay. But with this one here, eventually you can build it up to a point where you can take your foot off the gas and you don't have to constantly work 24/7 on your marketing, on all of those things. You can eventually start to lean back. So for me, I have more of a relaxed type of lifestyle where I put in the work years ago, but now we're at a point where, as an example, tomorrow's a Thursday. It's a Wednesday at the time I'm recording this video. Tomorrow I'm going golfing. I'm hardly going to be working at all tomorrow. I might respond to a couple of messages on my phone, but overall, I'm going to go golfing. I'm going to enjoy the day. It is now 12:17 p.m. at the time I record this video. I'm going to finish this video. I'm going to have some lunch. Then some friends of mine, we're going to go to the driving range. Then we're going to go out for happy hour after that. And I'm able to do these things because I've built it up to the point where this side hustle is now paying me whether I'm working or not. It can become very passive, which is incredible. So hope you got value from this video. If you did, I want to know down below, what is your favorite side hustle? Put that in the comments down below and let me know your thoughts. What is your favorite way to make additional or supplemental income from home? If you made it to this point in the video, thank you. Truly do appreciate you. Make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I'm putting out new content here on my channel. And lastly, if you have any questions for me, I'll leave my phone number right at the top of this video. Text me, ask me anything. And if you want a full deep dive on who I am, what I do, how I help people make money from home, I'm going to leave an end card here or an end video here at the end of this video, and you can simply tap on that and watch my full 30-minute overview. Thank you for watching, my friend. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one.